So it looks like Ralo is still bothered by people saying he snitched, and therefore he is always looking for ways to prove that he didn't snitch and that he is a real one. He opened a box of jewelry and had this flip phone over here, and he tried to use it to prove that he didn't give any information to the feds. Let's check it out.
Let's say Ralo gave information to the feds out his iPhone. But who still got one of these? Huh? What date they say? 2016. Let's say Ralo gave the feds information out his iPhone. Still got all my from 2015, 16, and 17. I bet none of you niggas say y'all got one of these. Then before Telegram, before all that, went to the feds, still got out to his mother flip phone. Oh, you want to see the contents now? Still got all the contents, nigga. Still got all the contents. Still got all the contents. What do you got? You talking about? Yeah.
You have stayed with me to this point of the video. Consider subscribing, hit the like button, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.